This is a platform for you to improve your speaking skills. Every time we give you the opportunity, you should not end up committing the same mistakes. We have been guiding you time and again about how to present yourself on the stage. As we all know, collecting the data from the internet and putting it in the PPT can be done by anybody. But how you are going to present it matters. Actually, in some of the slides, the participant themselves could not read what is there on the slide. Please try to make the slide a very lighter shade, and whatever you type should be in darker shade and visible enough. Do not dump or overload your slides with lot of information. Just highlight the important things so that you can speak on that. It should be just a keyword or a phrase which will help you to speak. It's not the whole paragraph is there and you read it word by word. That is not the presentation what is required. And we can all collect the information from the internet, keep a paper and read from it. But that is not the purpose of this life skill activity. Whatever opportunities are given to you, please take it seriously. It's just a matter of another 2 weeks. After that, even if you want to do, you cannot get the opportunity because we are running against time. We'll have to give more importance for academics. So please, when you're making the PPTs, ensure, if not now, at least henceforth, make the slide a very lighter shade and then let the contents be visible enough, make it bold enough, and when you look at the slide, you should know from which point you can catch it. You people actually by heart come and narrate it and go. That is not the whole purpose of the session. So kindly do this, children. You are actually improving, and I could see some of the students last time when they came, one slide they took almost 10 minutes to read, but at least now they have taken 5 minutes to read. That is also an improvement. Okay, but at the same time, make a note of it. Show your PPTs to your teachers, mentor teachers before or well in advance so that they can also guide you upon what can be done for that. Okay, congratulations all of you.